Hey there, Foundry. This is Kat, and this is a walkthrough of software called ViewedIt. ViewedIt records your screen, and it records your voice, and over here in the corner you'll see it records a little image of my face. I like ViewedIt for PR reviews because it has friendly me on the screen. Plus, you can walk someone directly through the code, highlight things you are interested in, and it saves a little video. When you're done with your video and you've walked all the way through a PR, you get a second screen, like this one for ViewedIt, and it says great job, and you get some links. You can share it on Facebook, and if you drop that link into your pull request, you have your video right on the screen. So this is ViewedIt. It's a Chrome extension, and you can just go to viewedit.com, download it,